Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a performance report for David in Alabama on this Crusherbuilt 4cx800. Take a look at it right there. We got about 3,350 plate bolts. Done tuned this thing out and we've set it up for its $29.95. RF power all the way down. 1,000 watt slug. It'll key about 80 watts or so. I'll roll it up in 12 o'clock position. It's 400 watts and 500 all the way up. Okay, show you average power swing. Hello, 5,000 watt slug peak. Low at 2,100, 2,200. Show you again on average, 1,000 watt slug. Low, so a good 900 to 950 bird. Hit it again. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So your plate current draw. Low, so it's drawing about 750 milliamperes. Okay, this tube is rated to draw 800 milliamperes wide open max. Okay, this is an 800 milliampere CCS transformer, so it should never want for anything. Low audio. Now me personally, I'd probably run it down here about the 30 or 40 mark, which is going to give you about a 350 watt key. Hello, still swinging 900 bird, 5,000 watt slug. Hello, still swinging 2,100 peak. Okay.